Chief Minister Biren appeals to all civil society organizations and students' bodies in the state to refrain from carrying out any forms of agitation, burnt or strike. Launching a two-day state-level workshop to understand climate change adaptation, Chief Minister Biren calls to shunt any customary laws affecting the environment. Manipur Pollution Control Board confiscates polythene carry bags, says action will be taken against shops defying plastic ban policy. And Musu burns effigy of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University. Muta demands Vice Chancellor to resolve current issues in the university ASAP. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has appealed to all civil society organizations and students' bodies in the state to refrain from carrying out any forms of agitation, burnt or strike today. The Chief Minister asserted that it is the responsibility of everyone in the state to bring development by exhibiting Manipur as a peaceful state to interested investors from outside the state. Chief Minister Biren was speaking to Impact News on the sidelines of Joint Hills Leaders' Day and People's Day held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today in view of the upcoming scheduled meeting of Chief Minister Biren at Niti Aayog in New Delhi on June 16, which will be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren stated that there is a shift in the train and many youths in the state are now willing to work and be productive to earn their livelihoods. He said many have approached him to provide them loans for startups. Biren stated that the number of grievances relating to poverty and other plights have gradually subsided as compared to the launching day of Miyamgi Numid. The Chief Minister maintained that through Miyamgi Numid, many people at the grassroots level are now successfully availed various schemes of the government. The Chief Minister also mentioned that the department concerned has been instructed to provide CMHT card and monthly pension of 1,500 rupees from CMST to a family where all the 4 members of the family are totally blind from Kashom village immediately. As on the earlier occasions, the Chief Minister attended many people from both the hills and valley region of the state coming with their grievances today.
Employed loan gumba the government schemes gumba piu kholo haiba adom na yam bayam ana bagi kari gi disable gi lakpa handak repra ado khara khara di khoi gi scheme jina pura grassroots bahap ta ta khara yauri moi adum lakpa yawi ado yam nungai ba kharang sulai khoi gi syllabus ta culture is traditionally khoi gi thaksi ka si gi maram moral education ipai pu gi ari bisi hapsi na ta de khoi Manipur society ji loire ga na sumni sum yam sum I impressed with any student group or civil society or yaringi strike ban may have to guide bucket or bucket of scumbase yaringi to with about the Hana Sunaba taba the meaning I wrote the book. Adugumba hayang niti neo mama rules some same egg and same regulator we have a poto. Are they the queen of the halaki of doing hybrid? Adugumba poto honing de.
OC Moreh Fire Service has urged DC and SP Technopol to make available 4 water reservoir in Moreh town to be utilized in times of fire-related emergencies. The request was made during the community outreach program Kam Miyamgi Numid held at the guest house of Moreh Police today. DC Technopol, Tombikanta and SP Technopol, Dr. Asibomcha and other police officers met with the representatives of various organizations and communities and listened to their grievances on the occasion. Officer in charge of Moreh Fire Services, Kaidyam Surchandra, stated that water reservoir utilized by Moreh Fire Services is located 6 kilometers away and hence it faces lots of inconveniences in times of fire-related emergencies. Deputy Commissioner Tombikanta assured of approaching the government to table the grievances and to urge for taking appropriate measures. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren loaded a two-day state-level workshop on the theme Understanding Mountain People's Approaches and Practices for Climate Change Adaptation with an aim to preserve the Himalayan ranges from global warming. Manipur Forum for Sustainable Mountain Development State Chapter, Integrated Mountain Initiatives, State Climate Change Cell and Directorate of Environment jointly organized a workshop at Classic Grande, Chingmairong today, stating that government agencies plays a vital role in preventing the effects of global warming. The Chief Minister maintained that the government gives particular interest combating climatic change. He said that it is time to change the prevalent systems in the state, as merely organizing workshops will not solve the issue. He also assured that distributing saplings of agar, lemongrass and fruits to the poppy growers will not only enhance the climatic condition but also increase the economic well-being. The Chief Minister also pointed out that large areas in the hills remain barren on account of widespread deforestation and that it is time to reject and discard any customary laws based on customs and traditions hampering the environment. Chief Minister Biren also opined that it is time to amend the land policy enforced in the hill areas.
More than 10 lakhs agar sapling we collect today. Others put bearing trees sing. Already we are in action. Climate change is having major impact on the vulnerability of mountain ecosystem and the mountain peoples. About 40% of the global population depends indirectly on mountains resource for water supply, agriculture. We should not confine. The time has come to change some things. We should not stick in the name of culture, tradition, customary. Sanaba hill chingi, oibutonganba separate law semakanda, how we can preserve and how we can protect the ecosystems, the environment. Sigi pon mayam se koi yamna academically depthly khanaba matam yore.
Manipur Pollution Control Board MPCB conducted drive and confiscated polythene carry bags from major markets of Imphal city as a part of its measures to curb the menace of non-biodegradable plastics in the state. The staff of the board and state police jointly conducted drive in major markets of Imphal city, namely Pauna Market, Thangal Market and along Masjid Road today, and confiscated polythene carry bags below 50 micron. Taking part in the drive, environmental engineer MPCB Prem Kanta Khagokpam said actions will be taken as per IPC Section 15, Environmental Protection Act 1986 against those shopkeepers found selling polyethylene carry bags below 50 micron. On the other hand, Prem Kanta said drives conducted by the board has found that sale of these polythene bags has decreased in the recent months. Prem Kanta also highlighted the negative effect of using these non-biodegradable plastics on health and environment. He appealed for public cooperation for the successful conduct of such drive against these health hazardous plastics. The environmental engineer also stated that the relevant department is being consulted to initiate a drive against vehicles emitting excessive smokes and loud horns.
50 micron di makada sizinaramba yolamba singsi yamna hantare anam hiram sigi matangda Manipur Pollution Control Board ki site gi praja miyam isini naw khwai puno ki phamda aikoina haijening basu mayam puno ki sahjog yauduna di aikoi pollution control toba amadi environment si sep toba haibsi oithoi aduna aikoi mayam puno mak amata oina aikoi pollution control taunana ba plastic pollution thingnana ba environment si sep oina ba Ponaminasi, I department is site to a coin heck number make Ponazaka have see my young Pondatamzaga.
Members of Manipur University Teachers Association Muta states a sitting at Manipur University bus stand demanding the Vice Chancellor to resolve the issue at Manipur University without further delay. On the other hand, as a part of Manipur University Students' Union Musu's hesitation to oust the Vice Chancellor from his post, the irate students burned the effigy of the Vice Chancellor in the university campus today. The Teachers Association held a sit-in stating that it is high time to resolve the issue at hand as all departments, including A block, remained non-functional for the past 10 days. Lamenting the indifferent attitude displayed by the Vice Chancellor, former President of Muta and Nimai told media persons that the Vice Chancellor should clarify the accusation imposed upon him by Musu regarding his inefficiency as a Vice Chancellor. NG Nimai maintained that Muta's objective is to restore the academic atmosphere of the university normalcy and warned of agitations if the VC fails to give appropriate response at the earliest. Besides burning the effigy, irate students also resolved to undertake intense agitation in demand for dismissal of all department deans from the university.
अखोई वजासु बीसी दु चथोकी हरगा कनाना इंचार्ज ओरी गायदा खंगदबको इंचार्ज जुमु ऑन लिफ्ट मुक लेबा कासु हम याउरी हरिबको समाइन तौदना खोगी चमुमनब अम लई अदुगा माना थामगी मनुंगदा नुमि 10 मुक लेरदी कुल्ल मुक्तो मदुदी आउट ऑफ स्टेशन दुदी टीडी सु सागदौनी हरिबको टीडी सी दिल्ली दा चटपदुगे राना तग दिल्ली दगे मुक क्राइदा नुमि 3 निमु फाइरुगे हाइबमसु लेरिदनको अदुना नुमि कुनी की साब तारेदनको अदुमाइन सही अमददी सही अनीददी क्यामु यामकनी सिगिसी अइना ताजबदा खबर कागजदगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अमना आरटीआई थारी हायबा सिगी मतांगदा ममुताब खंगनबा दो कोई यूनिवर्सिटी आरटीआई दो रिप्लाई पीदे नमजल थमी हाय मसिसु याम लानबा कोई की कई हायनी यूनिवर्सिटी की कोई की ट्रांसपेरेंसी वाटपको कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव क्लैरिटी एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी वाटपकी खुदम ला हायना खली अदुन आंगांगजिन हारिसी इराल लानदबरा इन खली सिगी मतांगददी.
A team of Imphal West Commando under the supervision of SP Imphal West Themthing conducted cordon and search operation at Langol, Laimanai and Lamkongching area from 5 to 6:30 this morning. This search operation was conducted as a part of the precautionary measures at the wake of recent killing of one non-local and injuring of another at Langol, Laimanai area. Altogether, 250 individuals were verified during the operation. However, no one was detained during the operation. A combined team of narcotics cell Imphal East and NAP police station Manipur team led by SIM Shabir under the supervision of additional SP Imphal East, MPS Wungpam Kasar and SDP Porumpat L. Sankirjit Singh and OC narcotics cell Imphal East Gate Dev Kumar apprehended one individual at Golapati KR land area around 4 this afternoon. The arrested person is identified as Mohammed Firoz Khan, 38 years, son of Mohammed Habibur Rahman from Golapati Manning Leka, Imphal East. 85 SP leucine capsules and 125 WY tablets worth approximately 30,000 rupees in the international market were seized from him. The arrested person, including the seized items, were handed over to Porumpat police station for further investigation. Unidentified individuals planted lethal cell at the gate of Imphal Valley Academy located at Ghari on Tidim Road before reaching Imphal International Airport. The lethal shell was discovered around 7 this morning. Imphal West Police and Lamphal Police were intimated about the same, acting on the information. Lamphal Police rushed at the spot and further intimated Manipur Police bomb disposal team. The bomb squad team recovered the bomb safely around 10 this morning. An armed conflict occurred between suspected armed cadres of prescribed group UTLAP and personals of 37th Assam Rifles around 11:25 p.m. on June 10th. Reportedly, the firing which took place for about 10 minutes at Quran Madrasa Ahmedabad under Zuribam police station left one suspected UTLA cadre dead. 2 cadre fled the scene, was taking advantage of the darkness, and 2 were arrested. Police teams including CDO rushed at the spot to secure the place and undertake other necessary procedures. 1 pistol and 1 M16 were also recovered from the scene after the shootout. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on students of Imphal College joining the government's flagship Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for summer internship program. Swachh Bharat Summer Internship, 100 hours of Swachhta today. Keep watching Impact News. Break and you're watching Primetime English News. Students of Imphal College has joined the government's flagship Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for summer internship program, Swachh Bharat Summer Internship 100 Hours of Swachhta at Thongju Part 1 in Imphal East today. The program was launched under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the Ministry of Human Resource Development and the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation to engage youths with Swachhta or cleanliness work in villages. It aims to aware the youth on cleanliness and sanitation and at the same time develop skills required to attend the same. The 100-hour experimental internship program would require the candidates to visit one or more villages and conduct activities of their choice to contribute to the cause of rural sanitation in India. 10-member student team will be engaged in each village under the program. A 10-member team under the supervision of Nodal Officer Imphal College Dr. R.K. Babita kicked off the program from the residence of Minister Thongam Biswajit near Ningom Thongjau from Thongju Part 1 village. Right after completion of the 100 hours internship program, a report will be submitted to the ministry concerned within 50 days. The best interns who have strived in schools and colleges with excellent work will be rewarded with recognition at the same and national level. Not just that, those interns who accomplish their tasks well will be awarded 2 credit points each by the UGC.
Summer internship program hai basi ekoi chhatra tara khalaga under the guideship of Modi ji da ekoi gi chhatra sing se ekoi training program gi type ta summer school tauriba du minus school da moi angang sing se ekoi khalaga mi tara si selection tokhalaga NSS ki oiro adagi AISSE gi oiro nodal officer sing se gi through da moi si training pi ga dabani haibigi ekoi da message lakpadagi ekoi na sigumba program asi lokhachabani ekoi gi skill development to the students ekoi gi orientation to the youths adagi bring youth across the country an opportunity to make a significant contribution to the Swachhta revolution. Amadi ngasai integrate youth in the community service in the rural areas in the 150th birth anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi.
A bike rally was held in Chandal today as part of the Vishesh Sampark Abhiyan in relation to the 4th anniversary of NDA government at the centre. Bharatiya Jana Yuva Morcha, BJYM Manipur Pradesh and BJYM Chandal district jointly organized a rally with an aim to raise awareness on various governmental schemes. MLA Oinam constituency and chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board and Khadi Village Industry L. Radha Kishore has laid the foundation stone for the construction of a new Khoijumand market today. Speaking at the foundation laying ceremony organized by Rural Economy Development Organization, MLA L. Radha Kishore stated that the Khoijumand village is one of the productive villages of Manipur. He said the BJP government will put it in all-out efforts to construct a market for the farmers soon and further appeal to the people for their cooperation. Director Horticulture and Soil Conservation of Manipur, K. Kipgint, and many district-level horticulture and agriculture officers attended the event. Students of Nambol High Secondary School in a press release drew the attention of the government to let Principal Sunilal remain as a principal of the school and also informed that the principal's room of the school will remain locked up until their demand is met. Successful students scoring above 60% in the recently declared Class 10 and 12 examinations 2018 conducted by BOSIM respectively and by the CBSE from Thoubal Municipal Council TMC Ward number 9 and 10 in Thoubal constituency were felicitated today. Jupiter Club Thoubal Bhamol Lairak held the first meritorious award and prize distribution ceremony at the club's premises to felicitate the meritorious students. Speaking at the chief guest, MLA of Khangabok Assembly constituency O. Suraj Kumar asserted that youth should be well thought for bringing about a peaceful society. He called on the parents to give proper guidance to their children in their fast-paced competitive world. He also stated that the intention to open a career counseling center soon. Suraj Kumar termed it unfortunate that the 2 women colleges were left behind in the recent upgrading of government-aided colleges despite the BJP government shouting the slogan of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Utlaw Awang Youth Club held a felicitation program for all meritorious students for the recently declared Class 10 and 12 examination at Utla Awang Community Hall yesterday. Dignitaries were distributed to the students on the occasion, attended by many elderly people of the locality. Speaking on the occasion, second position holder of HSLC examination 2018, Patil Lairanjam, lauded the club for the felicitation and hope for such encouragements in the future. 16th position holder of HSLC examination 2018, Malem Ngan Oinam, who also attended the program, stated that he wants to give UPA's examination and become an IAS officer. Altogether, 68 students were felicitated on the occasion. Kaching Kunau Educational Forum also felicitated students of Kaching Kunau who secured first division in the recently declared Class 10 and 12 board examinations conducted by BOSIM, COSIM, including other boards at its 7th annual felicitation program at Jigsapat, Mandop yesterday. Mathematics, painting and quiz competitions were also held as a part of the event, which was attended by top government officials and representatives of various civil society organizations. Manipur State Sumang Lila and Theatre Mirror Imphal, in a joint press release, informed that a one-month training program of Sumang Lila will commence from 15th of June at Iboyama Sumang Lila, Sanglin. Registration fee for the same is 300 rupees. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada Thaubal District Committee took out a torch rally against the use of intoxicants at Wangjing Sorokaibam Laikai and Wangjing Wangkai last evening. Protesters in the rally chanted slogans demanding to punish all drug peddlers, to frame Manipur State drug policy and to enforce the Liquor Prohibition Act fully in the state. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren appeals to all civil society organizations and students' bodies in the state to refrain from carrying out any forms of agitation, band or strike. Launching state-level workshop to understand climate change adaptation, Chief Minister Biren called to shun any customary laws affecting the environment. Manipur Pollution Control Board confiscates polythene carry bags, says action will be taken against shop defying plastic ban policy. And Musu burns effigy of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University. Muta demands Vice Chancellor to resolve current issues in the university as soon as possible.